Hey there, fellow Uber Eats drivers. If you're new to the gig or looking for some helpful tips to level up your game, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing some valuable advice based on my own experience. So let's get started. Best times to drive. First things first, let's talk about the best times to hit the road. Generally, meal times are the golden hours. From around 7 a.m. to 2 p.m., you can catch the breakfast and lunch rush. Dinner time usually kicks in around 5 p.m. and lasts till 9 p.m. But here's a pro tip: the late night shift, especially on weekends, can be surprisingly profitable. Plus, there's less traffic, so you can zip through those orders faster. Picky with orders. Now, let's discuss being picky with the orders you accept. Don't settle for low-paying deliveries. As a rule of thumb, aim for at least $2 per mile, and during heavy traffic hours, consider bumping it up to $2.50 or even $3 per mile. Remember, your time and effort are valuable, so don't hesitate to decline those lowball offers. Canceling orders. When you arrive at the restaurant and find out that the order isn't ready, consider canceling it. You don't get paid to wait around, and there are no penalties for canceling an order. Make sure to get an accurate wait time from the employees. If they estimate more than a 5-minute wait, it's usually best to cancel unless the tip is substantial. Interrogate for wait times. Sometimes, you need to play detective and interrogate the restaurant employees for accurate wait times. Don't settle for vague answers like just a couple of minutes. Ask them specifically how long it will be. Is it 1 minute, 3 minutes, 7 minutes? Don't be shy about clarifying because we've all been burned by those misleading estimates. Avoid slow restaurants. If you find yourself consistently waiting at the same restaurant for an unreasonable amount of time, it's a red flag. Some places are just chronically behind schedule. In my town, I've learned to avoid certain McDonald's, Wendy's, and Chipotle locations like the plague. Take note of which restaurants in your city have a reputation for being slow and save yourself the frustration. Avoid drive-thrus. Another tip to keep in mind is to avoid restaurants that require you to go through the drive-thru for pickups. Trust me, you don't want to get stuck in a 20-minute line behind multiple cars. It's a recipe for unnecessary delays and unhappy customers. Opt for restaurants with dedicated pickup areas or takeout counters instead. Strategic driving. Instead of driving aimlessly between orders, be strategic about your routes. Find an area with a high concentration of restaurants and park your car there. Waiting in a hotspot saves gas and positions you for speedy pickups. If there's a lull in orders, consider heading to another bustling area to increase your chances of getting back-to-back deliveries. Invest in a delivery bag. While Uber Eats doesn't provide a delivery bag, investing in one is a game changer. Many restaurants require it, and customers appreciate their food arriving warm and intact. You can find affordable options on Amazon or other online retailers. Before buying new, check out platforms like Facebook Marketplace for second-hand bargains. Be kind and smile. Remember, kindness goes a long way. Be friendly, smile, and maintain a positive attitude. Not only does this contribute to better customer ratings, but it may also lead to increased tips and better treatment at restaurants. Building rapport with restaurant staff can sometimes result in faster order preparation or even the occasional free drink. Watch out for parking restrictions. Parking tickets can be a real buzzkill, so watch out for no parking signs. It's better to park a bit further away and walk a couple of extra minutes than risk a hefty fine. Keep an eye out for parking regulations in your delivery areas and plan accordingly to avoid any unpleasant surprises. Know your city and routes. Lastly, familiarize yourself with your city's map and routes. While Uber's navigation can be helpful, it's not always the most efficient option. Double-check the suggested route before you start driving. Sometimes, taking a side street or alternative route can save you valuable time and help you avoid traffic congestion. And there you have it, my top tips for new Uber Eats drivers. With strategic planning, customer service skills, and common sense, you can maximize earnings and succeed in food delivery. Until next time, drive smart and keep those deliveries rolling.